In a downpour at Monaco, a fearless driver rides the edge of control, turning chaos into clockwork precision. The team reads rain like a sportscaster reads the wind, swapping tires and tactics in a heartbeat. Meanwhile, fans spark with hype as data engineers translate splashes into splits, guiding pit calls and quarter-second gambits. A single overtake on mirrored hairpin seals momentum, and the underdog climbs toward glory as the clock ticks. This is racing chemistry under pressure, where skill, intuition, and a tuned machine fuse into an unforgettable sprint tonight.